Welcome to the Markowitz, Fenelon and Bank LLP video blog.
When should I start the succession planning process?
Well, most people normally do wait too long to start that. Really, when you are beginning a business, you should be thinking about what is my end game. You know, you're starting off, you have your plan, this is how I'm going to succeed today. But if you're not thinking about how you're going to bring the company to the next level, you're never going to be at a point where you have a good passing off, a good baton pass of the business. What I've read is from Gary Boomer is you want to try to make your business, when you're looking at your business, imagine it 10 times the size of you are today, and make sure that you have everything in place so that you can have that structure, have that large entity. And part of that is learning how to pass it on to the next level, whether that's setting up an ESOP where the employees are going to buy in, or getting together the major employees who will end up buying the business in the future.
So do you have is there a specific time frame? Let's say I've owned my business for 20 years. Let's say I'm secretly, but haven't told anybody, that I'm hoping to retire within the next 10 years. At what point should I start that process?
10 years is a good time frame, because really, if somebody is buying your business, depending on what type of business it is, if it's if it's professional, they're looking, and professional is any type of thing. That's accountants, that's builders, that's engineers, that's any of those types of things where you're selling a service. They're going to want you to stay on for at least 2 to 3 years after the sale occurs to make a good transition. So you always want to make sure that you're leaving that much time frame. And if you're at year 3 trying to make this transition, trying to find your buyer, it's going to be too late. If you've only got 3 years left, it's too late. You're looking at a fire sale at that point. So a 10-year where you can say, okay, for the next 3 years, I'm going to really get all my financials in good order. I'm going to make sure that my customer base is really solid, that my margins are solid, my staffing is solid, and everything is good to go. So those 3 years of setting yourself up give you a good time frame of another 2 years to find the good potential buyer.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.